E bura madhi nyime kokalo e kinde mag Gachagua wacho ni nothiche oko mar apis ataro mar chik ka kuom mano od bura ok noluwo chike makare mag thiche oko. Gachagua nogolo e apis dwe mar 10 higa mar 2024.
Impeachment was converted into a vicarious assault on family rather than investigation of constitutional violations by a public servant. The entire impeachment process was designed to avoid and be ring-fenced from scrutiny and accountability, pushed through with uncharacteristic speed with the intention of ramming the process through before it could be audited for constitutional compliance. The National Assembly prosecuted proceedings on the basis that the petitioner offended the President rather than the Constitution.
Justice Ongudi said, and I quote, "The problem I find in the charge sheet is one of multiplicity of charges." Then she defines multiplicity. Multiplicity in a charge sheet arises from charging of a single criminal act as multiple separate counts. This may result in violation of the right of an accused person under Article 50, Clause 2, Paragraph O of the Constitution. That multiplicity of charges is a violation or a threat to Article 50, Clause 2, Paragraph O.